Hello guys, good morning to you all and have a nice day. Today 29th August 2020 Saturday. Have a nice day to you all. Today we will read in Supplementary Reader Vista's book the next story, The Enemy by Pearl Esper. Go through your book and read the passages. Note down these glossary selected difficult word meaning from some of the passages of the story, and then attempt this work in your fair notebook. After this, the short answer type question number first and second, you should also do these two both questions in your fair notebook. The word meaning from this part is like this. Vast means flowed by. Ashore means beach or sea coast. Was built on means was set upon, or was set upon means was built on. Yonder means over there at some distance in the direction indicated. Stepping stones means source of forwarding. Limit means restrict. Infinite pain means countless or limitless care. Concern means worry or anxiety. Perfecting means completing. Render means provide or make cause a service. Abroad means foreign countries. Troops means a group of soldiers. Slight means not profound or a little. Unexpected means which was not likely to happen. Fog means mist or frost or a cloud of very small drops of water in the air just above the ground that make it difficult to see. Creeping up means moving up slowly and carefully. Wrapping means weaving and wrath. Wrapped means enclosed in. Hori means a loose outer garment worn over the kimono. Kimono means a Japanese dress. Race means descent or caste. Casual way means a temporary manner or by chance. Literally means exactly. Laid means put. Bold means varied. Voluble means speaking incessantly and fluently or talkative. At all means in any way or to any extent. Heedlessly means without paying careful attention, carelessly or suddenly. Beforehand means in advance. Leaned means bent. Flung up means hurled up. Breaker means a heavy sea wave that breaks on the shore. Crawling means moving. Staggered means walked unsteadily as if about to fall. Curled means formed a curved shape. Bare means basic or empty. Lonely means solitary. Surf means mass of foam. Spiked means impaled. Torn means injured or wounded. Stain means mark or spot. Soaking means becoming thoroughly wet by immersion in blood. Exclaimed means cried. Made haste means hurried. Stuck means fixed. Soaked means wet. Rags means torn clothes. Expert means skillful. Whispered means spoke in a low voice. Tortured means inflicted with severe pain. Unconscious means not in sense. Tended means behaved or looked after properly. Struck means hit. Solemn means serious. Screened means covered. Beachcombers means persons who search beaches for articles of value. The day at an end means the sunset. Muttered means grumbled. Stench means stop. Strewed means spread on. Mourned means expressed suffering with a long, low sound. Stuffer means insensibility. And steadily means firmly. Note down these all glossary selected difficult word meaning from the first part of the story, and also solve the first and second short answer type question textual from this story. That's enough for this day. Nice meeting to you the next day. Have a good day. Thank you.